Seniors. 5 reasons your legs are getting weaker after 60. Do this before it's too late. As we age, maintaining strength and mobility becomes increasingly important, especially when it comes to our legs. Strong legs are essential for balance, independence, and overall health. Yet, many seniors notice their legs getting weaker after 60, making everyday activities like climbing stairs, walking, or even standing up more challenging. If you've been feeling this decline, you're not alone. The good news: weakness doesn't have to be inevitable. By understanding the causes and taking proactive steps, you can slow, or even reverse, this decline before it leads to serious consequences like falls or loss of independence. Here are 5 key reasons your legs may be weakening after 60, and what you can do about it right now to stay strong and active. 1. Loss of muscle mass. What's happening? After 30, adults lose 3 to 5% of muscle mass per decade, and this process accelerates after 60. This age-related muscle loss, called sarcopenia, weakens the legs, making movements slower and less powerful. Weak leg muscles increase the risk of falls and fractures, difficulty standing up from chairs, reduced mobility and independence. What you can do: strength training. Focus on squats, leg presses, and calf raises 2 to 3 times a week. Protein intake. Eat high-quality protein like eggs, fish, lean meats, and beans to support muscle repair. Resistance bands. A simple, low-impact way to build leg strength at home. Key takeaway: muscle loss is natural but reversible. Strength training is essential. 2. Poor circulation and nerve damage. What's happening? Aging can lead to reduced blood flow and nerve damage, especially in people with diabetes. This can cause numbness or tingling in the legs, weakness when walking, poor balance. Weak circulation means less oxygen and fewer nutrients reach your muscles, which can lead to faster muscle weakening. What you can do: stay active. Walking daily improves circulation. Manage blood sugar, essential for diabetics to prevent further nerve damage. Elevate legs, helps blood flow if you sit for long periods. Compression socks may help circulation if recommended by a doctor. Key takeaway: movement is medicine. Keep the blood flowing to keep your legs strong. 3. Vitamin deficiencies. What's happening? Many seniors are deficient in vitamin D, which supports muscles and bones; vitamin B12, which maintains nerve health and energy. Low vitamin levels can cause muscle wasting, fatigue, and nerve-related weakness. What you can do: get sunlight. 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure daily can boost vitamin D. Eat fortified foods. Fatty fish, eggs, and dairy products are excellent sources. Get tested. Ask your doctor for a simple blood test to check your levels. Key takeaway: a simple deficiency could be the hidden reason for weakness. Get tested and adjust your diet or supplements accordingly. 4. Sedentary lifestyle. What's happening? Spending too much time sitting leads to muscle shrinkage, joint stiffness, decreased coordination and balance. Inactivity accelerates muscle loss, especially in the legs. What you can do: walk daily. Even short 10-minute walks can make a difference. Stretch regularly. Keeps your joints flexible and prevents stiffness. Stand more often. Use a standing desk or set reminders to get up and move. Key takeaway: the less you move, the weaker you become. Keep your legs engaged every day. 5. Arthritis and joint pain. What's happening? Arthritis, especially osteoarthritis, can lead to stiff joints, pain while moving, a reduction in physical activity, which causes muscles to weaken. Pain discourages movement, leading to a cycle of inactivity and further weakness. What you can do: try low-impact exercises. Swimming, cycling, and Tai Chi are joint-friendly. Follow an anti-inflammatory diet. Include omega-3 fatty acids from fish or flax seeds and add turmeric to meals. Consider physical therapy. A professional can design a plan to strengthen your legs without increasing pain. Key takeaway: don't let pain stop you from moving. Gentle activity helps break the cycle of weakness. What you can do before it's too late. Weak legs don't have to be a permanent part of aging. The earlier you take action, the better your chances of preserving mobility, strength, and independence. Your action plan: start strength training, even simple bodyweight exercises. Walk daily. Consistency matters more than intensity. Get your vitamin D and B12 levels checked. Eat protein-rich foods to rebuild and fuel your muscles. Stretch regularly to stay limber and reduce the risk of falls. Your legs have carried you through every chapter of life. They've supported your journeys, your stories, and your independence. Don't take them for granted now. By addressing these 5 key factors, you can regain control, improve strength, and stay active for years to come. The time to act is now. Before weakness becomes irreversible.